I just said to Honey, I think I'll do a video like right now of what we've got done before we clutter it all up again. Because boy, it looks nice. What makes it really nice is Honey got down plywood to cover the old ugly floor. We will be putting down laminate flooring. He's already ordered it. It won't get put down till we come back in the spring though. But I'm not even sure. I just rolled some of that on the other day. But man, does it look nice in here. Wowie. I did put a coat of green paint on the shelves. I can't move the box out of the way. But that's got 1.1 one layer there, one coat. Jeez, I can't talk. I was going to try to do around the windows today, but that's going to wait till tomorrow. But that's going to be my next thing. I'm going to get one coat around the windows. And then next week, I really hope to get this wall done. He's got it all patched and all the caulking he's going to do is all done there. But then there's this door as well. So I guess I'll have to do that up there. And then the door frame and the door will be painted in the green. Because then I need to do the other side of the door, the inside, because that got scratched up and needs this coat of white. But we're not going to go there today. So around the windows and then get that wall done. Be pretty happy with that. I mean, holy cow. What a huge difference. It just looks like a nice room now. Oh, Honey found a video when he had his old workshop before we built the room and all his, that was all open and all of his stuff was over there. It was like, oh yeah, I remember. What a difference. Woohoo! Yeah, baby.